Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about studio monitors, and more specifically we're talking about what is the purpose of studio monitors. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I want to let you know that I am not a music professional. I'm actually just learning how to use studio monitors, and KRK was nice enough to send these out for us to test out, so thanks a lot KRK. And as I'm doing research on studio monitors, this is one question a lot of my friends were asking, is what's the purpose of studio monitors? And I didn't really know how to answer, so after about a month of using these studio monitors, I think I have a pretty good explanation, so I'm going to go ahead and try to explain that here. So first off, again, if you're not familiar with KRK, they are definitely one of the more popular companies that make studio monitors. They've been around for a long time, and they have this really unique look to them. It's the yellow and black circle right there, as you can see on the front of the speaker. But studio monitors, in my experience, my little experience, is they are used exactly as the name says. They are used to monitor in a studio. So the biggest difference that I've been able to find between these and general home speakers is that each individual unit is powered on its own. So let me zoom in a little bit more right here. As you can see here on the Rocket 8s that I have, they have their own power outlet. So that's a little bit different than the home audio speakers that I'm used to. Because generally when you buy a home entertainment system or a home speaker system, you're going to have maybe 5 or 6 different speakers, and they all connect into one power outlet. And all of the speakers would use one power outlet, which really doesn't make too much of a difference to a regular person like you or me. But if you are a music professional, you need to have a clear and accurate depiction of the music that you're listening to. And from what I've been reading is a lot of times if you are a sound engineer, you're looking for imperfections that need to be corrected in the sound. And the reason is, before it gets to a regular Joe like me, you want to make sure that all of the errors are gone, or at least the majority of them are gone. And that way, one of your listeners doesn't come to you later and say, hey, you missed this, or hey, there's a problem with this. That's the purpose of their job. So with studio monitors, the purpose is to have a clear and accurate sound of whatever it is that they are engineering. So with home audio speakers, supposedly, they have built-in technology that kind of covers up any kind of imperfections or errors. So if you're looking to fix something in the sound, then studio monitors are going to be useful because it will play back the sound as it's written or as it is recorded, and you're not going to miss anything, including the errors or including any kind of imperfections, and that gives the sound engineer an opportunity to make the change. So as far as I can read, that has been my experience on what the purpose of sound monitors are. If you're a music professional and you're watching this video, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know if there's any other purpose aside from that, or major purposes of using a studio monitor. We'd certainly appreciate it, but hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.